after using the back of the all the way, number 2 by Zena, foul! After using the back of the all the way, number 2 by Zena, foul!
Russell A. Senora at kasama ko si David Joshua Bernales para ihatid sa inyo ang semifinals matchup between the UNC Greyhounds versus the Shepherdville Rams. Burns, ano ba ang ine-expect mo sa labang ito?
Since kanina partner no nakapag-commentate na ako ng laro ng NCF and ng ating Annunciation Panthers, ini-expect ko na ang matchup ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams and ng UNC Greyhounds is magiging mainit at magiging maganda kagaya ng performance na pinakita ng ating NCF Tiger Cubs kanina. Super dominant ng kanilang pinakita laban sa Annunciation Panthers. And sad to say, uuwi ngayon ang ating Panthers. Pero syempre napakaganda pa rin ng matchup na pinakita nila.
And speaking of the NCF Cubs, they are waiting kung sino ang mananalo sa matchup na to at naghahantay na sila. Naghahantay na sila sa championship matchup. Pero itong matchup na to no, sa UNC, alam naman natin sa elimination round 4-0 to.
Yeah.
At ang Shepherdville Rams 3-1.
3-1.
Pero naging dominante sila kahapon during the quarterfinals. They have the height, they have the defense. Kaya 50-50. Di ba? Hindi natin masabi kung sino talaga ang mananalo ngayong hapon. At sa aming pagbabalik, sisimulan na natin ang match-up ngayong hapon. Don't go anywhere. Tutok lang dito sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Short after using the back of the all the way, number 2 by Zena, foul! after using the black of the all the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
And we are back here live at the ADNU-Naga University Gymnasium at magsisimula na, mga kaibigan, ang laban ng Rams at Greyhounds. Laban ito, partner, ng pula. Alam naman natin, parehas pula ang color ng dalawang school na ito.
Labanan ng pula, kumbaga partner, no? And ayan na nga, both teams nasa center court na, naghahanda na para sa kanilang tip-off.
And kanino kaya mapupunta ang first ball possession at nakuha ngayon ni Bachancela ng UNC Greyhounds. Number 77, Valera, and that's a three. Welcome, three-pointer. Valera. Itong kambal na to, nakita natin on how they work, on how they communicate, on how they manage the court. Kaya kaaba-abang ang magkapatid na ito.
And ayun, may miscommunication from the referees. Ball possession pa rin dito ng Shepherdville Rams. And syempre sa ating mga live viewers, don't forget to like and share our stream para mas marami ang makapagpanood at magsuporta sa Bucal. Season 4, number 19 gets that two-pointer to put the Shepherdville Rams on the scoreboard.
And we have Valera once again, fires for three. No good. At nakita natin yung hustle doon ni Bachancela all throughout the elimination up to quarterfinals. Napakaganda ang depensa na pinapakita ni Bachancela. Speaking of defense, steal by the UNC Greyhounds. Number 34 now of the Shepherdville Rams, finding the open man inside the restricted area. 2 points. Balita lang ng puntos ang ating dalawang kupunan dito. Wala, kinisa to Sakido. Sakido for 3. It's good! Another 3-pointer from the Greyhounds. That's the first foul ni number 88, Valera. Posada now. Stop and pumps or jumper is off. Pero andun pa rin si Drew, number 34, attacking the basket, uses the glass. Shot is off. Number 5. For the third chance, in and out. Oh, good. Bare, floater shot is good. And to give us an update all the way from the side of the Shepherdville Rams, let's call in our courtside reporter. Hi, Cass. Kumusta? Anong update dyan?
A pleasant afternoon, Russell and Joshua, and to all the basketball enthusiasts. This is Cassandra Seton, courtside reporter of Bucal Season 4 Juniors Basketball Division. The Junior Rams successfully made it to the semifinals as they win a victory over the Golden Knights during the quarterfinals. Right now, we are witnessing the rivalry between the UNC Greyhounds versus SVC Junior Rams, whose team will advance to the final round. Get to know more about the happenings inside the heart. Tuning in to the official broadcast of Bucal Season 4, GNTV TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to you, Russell and Joshua.
Thank you very much, Cass. Update all the way from the side of the Shepherdville Rams. At makikita natin, mga kaibigan, ano ba ang maging adjustments ng Shepherdville Rams, knowing that they are facing the strong team ng kabilang bracket na 4-0 ang standing during the elimination. At yun na nga, nakakuha ng basket count and pareha will step on the line making his bonus free throw. And kanina, kinumusta natin ang side ng Shepherdville Rams. Kaya naman, alamin natin kung ano ba ang paghahanda na ginawa ng ating Greyhounds. Let's call in our courtside reporter. Hi Irish, kamusta? Anong update dyan sa Greyhounds?
Yes, Burns and Russell. Good day, Bucal. This is it. The day that Greyhounds will going to secure their spot for Bucal Season 4 Finals. I had the chance to be with them during the huddle. Greyhounds didn't got the chance to practice for the semis, but Coach trusts them. Coach Alfred also told them to stay positive. Huwag masyadong madaming iniisip. Huwag munang isipin ang about sa finals. Just focus today, one game at a time. They will start strong and finish stronger. Will the Greyhounds finish stronger and secure the spot on finals? We will know. Stay tuned for more updates. That's all for now. Back to you guys.
Thank you very much Iris. At yun, napakagandang advice nun na binigay ng head coach ng Greyhounds. Huwag munang isipin ang finals. Focus muna sa semifinals. Good luck sa ating Greyhounds. And sakit na, we leave the court. Ball possession ng Shepherdville Rams. Sayang. Kung nakagawa na ang Shepherdville Rams ang play na yon. Number 24 now, finding his teammate. Posada will recover the ball and convert it with the points.
Nice hustle play there by the Shepherdville Rams. Chance to tie the game dito sa free throw ni Posada.
Burns, maagang foul trouble ngayon ang ating Greyhounds. 4 team fouls. Nasa penalty situation na pala ang Shepherdville Rams ngayon.
And ayun, partner, deadlock at 10 tayo. Timeout called here by the UNC Greyhounds. Huwag kayong bibitiw mga kaibigan. Magbabalik po ang Bucal Season 4.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Yan, we are back here live at the ADNU University Gymnasium para sa ating game number 2 para sa semifinals matchup. UNC Greyhounds versus Shepherdville Rams. And we have a tie ball game here. Coming from the 3-point play na binigay sa atin ni Posada. The point guard ng Shepherdville Rams. Valera passes to his brother. Beautiful steal there. Pero tatawagan ng foul si number 19 ng Shepherdville Rams, Morao Lawrence. 6 minutes and 14 seconds remaining time.
Bare ngayon, may dala ng bola. Pinasa kay Valera to the corner man, but Chancela. Extra pass to the inside, but that's gonna be a traveling violation. Turnover ngayon ng UNC.
Drew. Heavily guarded by Bare. And they only have 18 seconds to shoot at napatawag nga ng timeout ang side ng Shepherdville Rams. Don't go anywhere. Tutok lang dito sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Number 2 makes in a foul. Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Number 2 makes in a foul.
Tuloy-tuloy ang aksyon dito sa loob ng ADNU University Gymnasium para sa ating second game ng semifinals match between the Shepherdville Rams and UNC Greyhounds. Tumawag ng timeout dito si coach ng ating Shepherdville Rams, trying to make some changes dito. Pero ayan na nga, Shepherdville on the offense. No one near him. Number 25 gets that 3-pointer.
Lamang na ngayon ang Shepherdville Rams. Bare has the ball, passes to Valera. Beautiful ball rotation here. But Chancela for 3. That's a clear block. And they only have 10 seconds to shoot. End line, inbound play. That pass to Valera now. It's out to his brother. Valera fires for 3. Short one, pero nandun si Bare. Makakakuha na foul doon si Bare and he will step on the line, making his bonus shots. And Almario now going inside the court.
Quick shoutout tayo dito, partner. Shoutout kay Jerome Almario na nanonood sa kanyang kapatid dito sa ating Facebook Live.
And kay Aika Peña, congratulations, shoutout, and congratulations for passing the RMT
Yun.
examinations. Posada now has the ball. Drew asking for a low post play here. Beautiful defense by Valera. What a defense. We have substitution here. Number 55, Soriao, will enter the court, and Graho of the Shepherdville Rams. Shoutout sa iyo kay Lina Randia and kay Patrick
Bare on the corner to Chancela. To Valera. Almario with the ball. Pinapaikot nila ang bola. That's a block. Whistle called here by the referee. Foul called on Bare.
That's an offensive foul ang itatawag kay Bare doon. 4 minutes and 50 seconds left. 10-13, 3-point lead ang hawak ng Shepherdville Rams. Posada now has the ball. Attacks the basket. Floater shot is off. Almario gets the rebound. Almario, dire-diretso. Beautiful hustle there by number 4 of the Shepherdville Rams, preventing the Greyhounds to convert it a point.
4 minutes, 32 seconds remaining dito. Tatlo ang kalamangan ng ating Shepherdville Rams.
At yun yung sinasabi ko kanina, Burns, na magiging mainit ang labang ito. Kita naman natin sa scoreboard. 3-point lead lang.
Match na match talaga ang Shepherdville Rams tapos UNC Greyhounds dito sa ating semifinals match na ito. Hindi natin alam kung sino ang makakagain ng upper hand dito as Valera fires a 3. No good pero may offensive rebound. But Chancela bitawan yung bola.
Pero doon si Abogado, the captain. Scapos for the ball. Valera recovers it. Aliu pass, wala. And Posada na
Fast break. 3-pointer. No good.
Off. Pero nakuha niya pa rin ang rebound. Pero doon si Valera. Passes to Bonisilio. Love pass to Bachancela. Bachancela, nice fakes there. Beautiful feed to Bonisilio. Uses the glass. That's off. Rebounded by Drew. Napakagandang bigay nun. Nice communication there.
Nakakuha pa ng foul and may chance pa for a 3-point play dito si number 4.
And this is their third time getting that 3-point play. Tignan natin kung makukumpleto ba ni Graho ang 3-point play na ito. Yan nga sinasabi mo, match na match ang dalawang ito. They have the defense, they have the outside shooting, they have the inside play. Kaya di talaga natin masabi kung sino ang magiging dominante dito. Siguro, they have the skills, no?
Yes, partner.
So, yung execution na lang ng game plan at strategy, doon siguro magkakalamangan ang dalawang kupunan na to.
And syempre partner, sa ngayong quarter, lamang ang ating Shepherdville Rams pero 5 puntos lang naman as Valera gets that steal and ball possession para sa kanila. 23 seconds on the shot clock dito. Marami pang oras para makapag-convert dito ang Greyhounds. Valera ngayon may dala ng bola. Passes to Almario. To the corner man. Almario ngayon naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Gets to Abogado. Fires a 3. No good. Shepherdville nasa opensa.
Drew has the ball. Passes to Posada. Posada, nice, beautiful feed there, but to Graho. Graho, easy 2 points here. 7-point lead. Bachancela. The shot is off. Suryaw. Miscommunication here. Turnover sa side ng ating Shepherdville Rams. At papasok na si Burse. Kung may Valera Brothers dito sa Shepherd, may Burse at Posada.
Ayan na nga, Valera, Tuba Chancela. Almario fires a 3. No good. Shepard
Down.
on the offense. No good sa floater na yon. Pero naagaw ni number 34. Blind pass. That's good. 2 points para kay Burse. And a turnover para sa UNC dito.
Medyo nahihirapan ang ating UNC Greyhounds getting the defensive rebound. Suryaw. Pass to Posada. Nice fakes the air. Kicks out to Suryaw. Suryaw attacks the basket. Shot is short. Rebounded by Asay. And now we have Bachancela. Bachancela. Tapik ang bola. Bola pa rin ng ating Greyhounds.
Remaining time, 1 minute 44 seconds dito sa ating first quarter. 9-point lead hawak ngayon ng Shepherdville Rams. Asay gets that ball. Valera goes inside, extra pass. Masyadong malakas, that's gonna be a turnover.
And that's their second turnover sa run na ito. At papasok ulit ang isa sa mga Valera. Burse. Fine pass to Burse at nabitawan yung bola. Turnover sa side ng ating Shepherdville Rams. And we only have 1 minute and 22 seconds left sa ating first period.
Foul called here by the referee. It's gonna be a foul called on number 4.
But that's only the fourth team foul ng ating Shepherdville Ram.
$16 seconds on the shot clock dito para sa UNC. Valera with the ball. Yung dalawang kambal nasa loob ng ating hardcourt. 10 seconds to shoot para kay Evan. Fires a long 3. No good, pero may offensive rebound. Asay to Lopez. Asay again with the offensive rebound.
Sa loob ni Lopez. Wala pa rin for the third chance. And ball possession ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Suryaw. Ulit pass to Burse. Open 3. That's good!
Corner 3, courtesy of Burse, number 18 ng SBC Rams. Valera on the ball. Passes to the corner, Valera. That's a 3. That's good! May revenge din ang Valera dito. 30 seconds on the first quarter dito. And the foul was called by the referee. Foul called on number 55.
Bola ngayon ng ating Greyhounds with 27 seconds remaining time sa first period. 9-point lead ang hawak na lamang ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Beautiful fakes there. Another 3. No good. Rebounded by Burse. Burse. Lefty layup is good. Stepping on the line. 11. Double-digit lead na ang hawak ng Shepherdville Rams dito.
Last possession ng Shepherd dito. 5 seconds remaining. 3, 2, 1. Will it go? That's good! And that is the end of our first quarter. Clutch play dito para kay Posada. 26-13 ang ating score dito. Huwag kayong bibitiw mga kaibigan. Magbabalik ang mainit na labanan ng Bucal Season 4.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Here we are back here live at the ADNU University Gymnasium para sa game number 2 ng ating semifinals match-up, Greyhounds versus the Shepherdville Rams. Natagalan po ang ating break before entering the second period because our referees and the table officials kailangan i-review ang nangyaring kanina before the end of the first period at na-awardan nga ng technical foul si number 55 Soriao and warning for unsportsmanlike behavior doon si number 88 ng Greyhounds. The ball possession ngayon ng ating Shepherdville. Burse for 3. Shot is off, rebounded by Graho. With the second chance, Posada stop and pumps. Shot is off. Another offensive rebound and converted with a point. Valera now has the ball. Nice fakes there. Valera. Bachansela, floater shot. Too strong. Burse. Kicks out to the corner, man. Rebounded by Asay. Pass break here. Nandun ang Shepherdville Rams. Intercepted that ball. And Burse now is calling for a play. Technical ang itatawag doon. Push, offensive foul. Rather, ang itatawag kay number 4, Graho ng Shepherdville Rams. Asay. Number 88, Eurostep. Out of bounds, turnover sa side ng Greyhounds. Shoutout sa'yo, Rap Vivares. Go hard, Rams. And to give us an update sa side ng ating Shepherdville Rams, let's call in our courtside reporter. Hi, Cass. Kamusta? Anong update dyan?
Yes, Russell, during the first quarter, the Junior Rams are ordered to put pressure in the game. They are reminded to follow and stick to the game plan as the coaches already discern the set play of the opposition. The head coach of the Rams also emphasizes the importance of playing according to their position. The Junior Rams successfully lead the first quarter, and for the second quarter, they are ordered to perform 2-3 zone defense and encouraged to maintain the momentum. That's the latest update from the court side. Back to you, Russell.
Thank you very much, Kaz. At yun na narinig natin, and they have to stick to the game plan and of course, play their positions. At sa depensa naman ng Shepherdville Rams, 2-3 zone para sa second quarter. Nice fakes there by Bachancela at makakakuha ng foul. He will step on the line to make his bonus shots. As narinig natin ang update sa side ng Shepherdville Rams, alamin din natin ang update sa side ng Greyhounds. Side Irish, anong update sa side ng ating Greyhounds?
Yes, Russell and Burns. The defense of Greyhounds are now individually tested. Kaya naman, coach told them to switch from 2-1-2 zone to man zone. Paalala din ni coach to attack the gaps, challenge the opponent at tapangan pa. That's all for now. Back to you guys.
Thank you very much, Irish. Kailangan pa mas tapangan ng ating Greyhounds. Double digit ang hawak na kalamangan ng Shepherdville Rams. Bursi now passes to Posada, passes to the inside man, and that's 2 points. Beautiful play there. Sakido makakakuha ng foul and a chance for a 3-point play. Nag-ingay na si Sakido ngayon. .13 lead ang hawak ng Shepherdville Rams, and on the line is Sakido, number 6, one of the key player ng ating Greyhounds. Shoutout sa'yo, John Derek Berse. From Jerome Almario. Shoutout po kay Kaz. There's 6 minutes and 55 seconds remaining time para sa second period. Posada na, kicks out to Drew. Posada, long 3, that's too strong. Nice rebound there by Asay. Sakido uses the glass, that's good. Inside pass, spin, nice block there by Asay. Tuto nating run ang UNC ngayon. Long 3-pointer, Valera. That's a short one, pero nandun si Asay for the offensive rebound and convert it with a point. At naputol na ang run ng ating Greyhounds dito. Miscommunication there from Valera to Sakido. Wasson is now on the court. Sarmiento from the Shepherdville Rams is on the court. 10-point lead ang hawak na kalamangan ng Shepherdville Rams. Beautiful steal there by Valera. Passes to Sakido. Sakido. Makakuha ng foul doon. Si Soriao, number 55. Ay, that's rather from number 18. Valera now. Passes to his brother. Bounce pass to Asay. Open 3. Valera. It's good! Ay, naka-diamond defense. Full court. Ang UNC dito. Cutting the lead to 7. Burse. Revenge 3-pointer. Shot is off. Transition play to Valera. Easy 2 points. At napatawag ng timeout ang Shepherdville Rams. What a run para sa ating Greyhounds. 5 minutes and 7 seconds remaining time. Tutok lang dito sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Yan, we are back here live at the Ateneo Gymnasium. Sino ang abante sa finals? Malalaman natin yan as we go along sa ating match-up ng Shepherdville Rams versus the UNC Greyhounds. Ball possession ngayon ng ating Rams. Ano kaya naging adjustment ng Shepherdville Rams to cut the momentum ng Greyhounds ngayong second quarter. Posada passes through. Soriao, inside pass. What a beautiful play. 2 points para kay Drew. That's gonna be a backcourt violation on over the side ng Greyhounds. From Kalim Haji Ray. Shoutout kay Chrysler Padrinao. 3-pointer. Too strong. But Chancela gets the rebound. Passes to Valera. Transition play is good. Corner 3-pointer. It's good. Posada. Last 4 minutes sa ating second period. Spin move. That's gonna be a traveling violation. Sayang ng move na yun. Posada. Quick 3-pointer. Pero doon pa rin. Sakido now. Sakido. Shot is off. We have Pareja here. Calling for a play. Back to the point guard, Posada. Asking for a ball screen. Posada uses the glass. It's good. Back to the double-digit game. Valera. Sakido fires for 3. Corner 3-pointer. Shot is off. Posada now has the ball. 3-pointer. Again! Posada! Umiinit na ang kamay ni Posada. And we have a timeout called by the UNC Greyhounds. 2 minutes and 32 seconds left sa ating second period. Magbabalik po kami.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Again, we are back here live at the ADNU University Gymnasium para sa ating game number 2 ng semifinals, Shepherdville Rams versus the UNC Greyhounds. At yung mga kaibigan, momentum after momentum kanina. Under 4 minutes, 6 minutes rather, momentum ng UNC. At ngayon naman, momentum naman ng Shepherdville Rams. Ano kaya ang naging adjustment ng ating head coach sa UNC Greyhounds just to cut that momentum? Beautiful move there, but that shot is too strong. Galing kay Abogado. Posada. Pass to Drew. Pareja, corner 3-pointer. Sa loose ball foul. From Barre of the Greyhounds. Last 2 minutes ng ating second period. Ay shoutout po kay Mrs. Evelyn Soriao, the grandma of Kian Soriao, who is watching right now. Happy viewing po. Thank you for viewing Another chance for a 3-point play. That's from Pareja. Foul called from number 5 of the UNC Greyhounds. Bonus shot. And he completes the 3-point play. Brought to you by Pareja of the Shepherdville Rams. A miscommunication here. Turn over the side ng ating Greyhounds. Lobo na naman ang kalamangan ng ating Shepherdville Rams dito. 16-point lead. Floater shot ni Posada. And beautiful put back here by Pareja. But Chancela crosses over. Sakido. Makakuha ng foul Sakido and a chance for a bonus shots. And he will step on the line. Sa penalty situation na ang ating Greyhounds dito. First shot. 1 minute and 13 seconds left. Sa ating second period. Shot is off. Shoutout sa ating live audience dito sa NUEVA University Gymnasium. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta at pag-suporta sa inyong kanya-kanyang team. And second shot is good from Sakido. Posada now. Beautiful crossover here. Kicks out to Pareja. 2 points. Bare. Makakuha doon ng foul si Bare. And he will step on the line. And they have to capitalize yung penalty situation nila. ...40 seconds remaining time mga kaibigan. And shoutout po sa Peña family na nanonood ngayon. Sumusuporta sa UNC Greyhounds. First shot is off. Shot is good for the second one. Under 40 seconds remaining time. Sakido defending Posada. Beautiful crossover. What a move here by Posada. Destroying the defense of the Greyhounds. Sakido. Seven seconds. Wanted by Abogado. 2, 1. And that's the end of our second period. 31-49 lamang ang ating Shepherdville Rams. Don't go anywhere. Tutok lang dito sa GNTV Sports TV Liga ng mga kampiyon. We will be right back.
after using the block of the all the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Law enforcement requires people. Law enforcement requires materials.
Since childhood, it's part of my dream to become a law enforcer. Part of that dream is the motivation to finish the education intended for law enforcement, and that is criminology education.
Everything that you do should start from planning.
And during that time, wala talagang investigador yung fire service. And that's why some of the senior officer in Region 5 encouraged us to join the fire service. It's good that I was encouraged to take part in the INP fire service because immediately nagamit ko yung investigative knowledge and skills that was part of the learnings in any criminologist education. I was immediately assigned as fire investigator. I started as a fire officer 1, and then I climbed the ladder going to the officership. I go through with the yung tinatawag na career courses and training to become an officer. When I was promoted to the rank of inspector, I was given the chance to hold the position of Naga City Fire Station as the station commander. Yun ang position description nun eh. Ang success ko, di ko ma-achieve without Naga College. Ako naman, hindi ako galing sa mayaman na pamilya. Ang father ko talagang trying to provide us the better education. Ay marami kami. We are 10 in the family. So I'm the oldest. So sabi ko, every year, inaano sa bangko yung lupa namin. Makakuha ng pera for the tuition fees. Palagay ko, I have to earn my own education. I asked then Dr. Carlo Villanueva. Sabi ko, sir, mag-teacher na ako next year. Medyo nahirapan yung parents ko. Kasi halos sabay-sabay na kami sa college, saka sa high school, saka elementary. So, sabi ko, Dok, pwede ka akong matulungan mo ako makapag-study. Sabi niya, sige. Kinakailangan namin ng working students sa chem lab. Sabi ko, sige Dok, nakuha ko na rin yung chemistry ko, so alam ko na yung mga ginagamit doon and what will be my work. With that, yun ang pinaka-break eh. College education ko rito sa Naga College, sabi nga niyo, sa Tagalog, napakasaya. Kasi unang-una, you are trying to fulfill your dreams. You are also helping your parents at the same time na hindi masyadong maggastos for your education. And also the environment here, Napakaganda, solid yung mga department. How to improve the curriculum. Doon namin nakita yung every year may mga improvement yung curriculum. Masasabi namin that is the benchmark pag punta sa excellence ng criminology education sa NCF. And for the student, being poor is not a hindrance to achieve your education. You have to find ways. Only education that wherever you go, even though you do not have the wealth, you can thrive and you can be successful.
Ano po ang pagkaintindi mo kayang kagawa?
Ang katuyahan po, kan pagkakaigwa ng teleradyo, iyan tanganing mas komprehensibong maipaabot si mga bareta.
Ang nakapalaman sa satuya pong konstitusyon. Ingat lang ta, medyo may COVID pa kita. Luwas mong makaning face mask.
Bako lang po sa radyo,
Asintado!
sa Facebook o social media, kundi pati po sa telebisyon.
Mayo man paulit-ulit. Pagbago na naman ang presidente, arog na naman kayan.
Ako, si Joe Osabal, sa Asintado sa Teleradyo, digdi sa GNTV-Naga.
Work with business executive or turn yourself to become one. Explore the career in the world of business with NCF's Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management. This degree prepares you to excel in the financial service sector. Start it right with NCF's College of Accountancy and Finance.
Naghahanap ka ba ng one-day printing? Look for AET Ads. We offer tarpaulin printing, billboards, panflex, laser cutting, and stainless for quality signages and many more. Your signage is the face of your business. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? I-level up mo na ang signages at billboard mo. Matatagpuan sa Pabidon 4, Door 5, Panganiban Drive, Naga City, in front of Boy Scout and Girl Scout of the Philippines. Sa Central Branch, located at Barangay Dinaga, Naga City, sa Albay, Barangay Sagpon, Daraga Albay. For inquiries, you may call or text at 205-5322 or 0998-952-7485 and look for Mr. Willis Soliman. AET Ads ka na, your one-day quality printing.
Sa loob ng classroom, yung parang ano ng mga bata, notebook, books, tapos teacher, nagtotalk lang yung teacher. Pero ngayon, dito sa robotics and sciences, parang naglalaro lang at natututo yung mga bata ng mga bagong learning na pwede nilang makuha.
Siyempre, yung technology natin, it's evolving. Yung mga students, they will really experience yung innovative learning. They will really engage with the technology.
This is a 3-year program that will cover from grade 1 to grade 12. So this is not actually a new subject, but this will be to be integrated in our computer subject and TLE. Except for, of course, for the STEM, because STEM really it is a subject wherein they will take as part of their curriculum.
As a parent, I'm so excited and happy that my kid and also the other kids in LCL will learn the basics of robotics. Siyempre, robotics, gusto nila yon. At I know that they will enjoy it.
Ang fun po kasi, tapos ang dami pong nalalearn sa robotics. Excited po ako.
Especially sa amin. I think before, this is only introduced sa mga college, especially sa mga engineering courses. But now, it's really an advantage, especially for the children, to remain relevant and competitive, especially in this period of technological advancement.
It makes it interesting because robotics isn't just about how you work with wires, how you work with electricity. It's about elaborating with new people, working with other people, visualizing how you could create more things, hindi lang puro like, let's say, electric, mga wiring. It's also about teamwork po, being skeptical when it comes to working in robotics. It is very complicated, but I enjoy it a lot because learning new things is my favorite thing.
Actually, this is a free program for our basic education department. We will be having this robotics program, but parents will not pay any extra amount of this. So this is an innovation for Naga College Foundation, and of course, to enhance our curriculum, particularly for digital transformation.
As I can see, kapag ang teacher is hands-on talaga sa pagtuturo, lalo na sa robotics na to, the students will really enjoy. It will be very fun and they will really have this learning environment and experiences po na mag-i-enjoy talaga sila.
You should better try new things no matter how difficult it is. Never give up because trying new things can open big possibilities and opportunities around you. You never know kung saan ka magaling, saan ka kailangan mo pa ng improvement. So I think that there's nothing wrong with trying because until you keep on trying, you will achieve a lot of things po, and that will help you.
Kilalang-kilala yung Naga College Foundation sa criminology program or criminology degree. At first, tinatanong ako ng nanay ko after graduation namin sa high school, which is a public school in Cabusao, Bangsor. So one of my friends who happened to be one of my officers right now in our company, kaklase ko nung high school, sabi, "Padi, nag-enroll na ako sa Naga College Criminology." So, nung narinig ko yung criminology, parang merong nagkaroon ng spark, may interest. Sabi ko, that's something good, ha? I was oriented dun sa habang nag-aaral kami na hindi lang pala law enforcement ang pwede mong pasukan sa gobyerno. Marami pa, and that's only one of the career pathways in the criminology program. During my time with Naga College, yung mga professors natin varied yung background nila, professional background. Some of them are from the National Bureau of Investigation, Bureau of Fire, PNP, and the Academy. Naniniwala ko lagi yung the war on talents. Nasa corporate kasi ako. So, yung competition is masyadong stiff yun. You have to prepare yourself for that. I'm a criminologist by profession, but part of my responsibility is to understand numbers. Ibig sabihin, gumagawa kami ng mga budget for a particular, let's say, shopping mall because we are operating shopping mall. So I asked my wife if I can enroll sa Masters sa Business Administration here in Makati. Doon, marami tayong nakuha at nagamit ko sa aking trabaho. And during that time, I was only a security supervisor. After that, parang kulang pa na nag-aaral ako. After my MBA, I decided to enroll in the master's degree of De La Salle University of Dasmariñas, specializing in criminology because I want to strengthen also my undergraduate profession, which is criminology. They gave me an opportunity as well to be a part-time professor in school. I continued my studies up to the PhD program, same university, the same degree. I'm now the chairman of the panel of examiners for the master's and PhD programs. My very foundation is the Naga College for the criminology profession. It's just a reinforcement of the basic knowledge that you have in the criminology profession. I'm reporting under the Office of the President. I'm overseeing all the business activities of all the projects all over the country as far as security and safety concerned. So that's what keeps me going, to be able to help the company protect lives and property. Just like law enforcers, that's the primary responsibility. So for me, ang trabaho ko is not only my profession, it's not only my occupation, but this is something, an opportunity but a privilege to serve people. If you are experiencing hardship, sabi natin sa Bicol, kung tios ka, kung marami kang pinagdadaanan, that's a very good signs because those experiences, yun ang gagamitin natin as we progress in this particular profession. So always go back to your experiences because your experiences will teach you how to be competent in what you are doing.
This event is brought to you by Naga College Foundation, the home of the champions. Enroll now for as low as 2,000 pesos. For more details, visit www.ncf.edu.ph. Lemon Residences, your newest home of the champions and the metro. Open for daily, weekly, and monthly bookings. Located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, and enjoy a sip of coffee and Septus meals at Tiger's Cafe, located at second level of Lemon Residences. Dream travel? Achieve yan sa Nagayon Travel and Tours. Enjoy a hassle-free travel with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Visit their office at NCF Annex Building, Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, or call us 0966-486-0043. At NCF Annex Building, there is the Tiger's Loft, a business center that first to offer a co-working space in Naga. Grow your business at the Tiger's Loft. Swim like a champion at NCF Training Pool. Avail their swimming lessons at a very affordable rates. Contact Coach Joseph Tena at 0949-447-2792. Drive with confidence with NCF Driving School. Avail their theoretical driving course and practical driving course. For beginners, NCF Driving School is LTO accredited.
And we are back here live at the ADNU University Gymnasium. And as we welcome you to the third quarter ng ating semifinals matchup. 31-51 po pala ang score kanina, hindi 49. And 20-point lead ang hawak ng Shepherdville Rams. At bola ngayon ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Beautiful play there. Posada. Posada for 3. It's good. Another 3 by Posada. That's gonna be a traveling violation. Full court man-to-man defense. Kailangan nilang mag-double time. 23-point lead ang Shepherdville Rams and another traveling violation. Pero sa side naman ito ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Valera now has the ball. Passes to his brother. Again, traveling violation. And kamusayin natin ang side ng Shepherdville Rams kung ano magiging adjustment nila sa pagpasok ng third and final quarter. Let's call in our courtside reporter. Hi, Cass. Kamusta? Anong update dyan?
Yes, Russell, during the huddle, the head coach of the Rams emphasized that once they are given the opportunity, they have to make sure that they will give their all. They are also reminded to prioritize and not forget the safety on their defense. There are still 2 quarters. They should not take advantage of every second. They are ordered to be aggressive in their offense and defense, strengthen the momentum, and strictly follow the game plan. That's the latest update from the courtside. Back to you, Russell.
Thank you very much, Cass, sa update sa side ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Posada, floater shot is off. Rebounded up by Bare. Napakinggan natin kanina ang update sa side ng Shepherdville Rams. Kamustahin naman natin ang update sa side ng UNC Greyhounds. Hi Irish, kamusta? Anong update dyan?
Yes, Russell and Burns, Greyhound is still behind the Shepherdville Rams. Coach told them to pay attention to the details of the game, from backs out, second chance points, and outside shots. Coach wants them to stick to the game plan, trust the coaches, teammates, and of course the system. That's all for now. Back to you, Russell and Burns.
Maraming salamat, Irish. Stick to the game plan. Pagtingin ng depensa, yan ang kailangan nyo ng UNC Greyhounds. Bachansala passes to Sakido. Beautiful ball rotation here. Kicks out to Bare. Bare stop and pumps, and that's good for a floater shot. Burse from the elbow. Another chance for Burse, and that's good inside the paint. Bola pa rin ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Bare intercepted there by the Shepherdville Rams. Turnover sa side ng ating Greyhounds. Bola ngayon ng Rams. Soriao. Passes to Grau. Drew. Eurostep is good. Beautiful move by Drew here. Sakido. Turnover. Soriao, 2 against 2. At tatawagin doon ng foul si Asay. And Soriao will step on the line, making his bonus shots. That's the second team foul ng ating UNC Greyhounds. First shot is off para kay Soriao. Shot is off. Bola ngayon ng ating Greyhounds. Passes to Lopez. Kicks out to Sakido for 3. It's good! Sakido. Drew now has the ball. Passes to the point guard. Burse. Lower shot is good. Valera now. At tatawagan doon ng foul si Tuazon. Ito natin. And we have here an unsportsmanlike behavior called from number 28 of the UNC Greyhounds. Bonus shot is good. And 88, Valera will enter the court. 17 seconds to shoot para sa ating Greyhounds. 5 minutes and 39 seconds left. 61 to 36. Sakido now will attack the basket. Beautiful block here. Valera fires for 3. Oh, good. Bola ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Beautiful steal here by Valera. Drew. 2 points. Shot is off by Valera. Wala pa rin for the second chance opportunity. Pero andun si Lopez getting that steal at makakuha pa ng foul galing kay Soriao. Valera finding Sakido. Passes to Valera. That's a 24 shot clock violation. Turnover sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds. Burse is calling for new play here. Burse! Rebounded by Almario. Nice recover. Pero andun si Drew getting that 2 points. Sakido attacks the basket. Chares short. Murao 2 against 1. Layup is off. Lopez now has the ball. At makakakuha ng foul doon si Lopez. That's gonna be from number 24 of the Shepherdville Rams. 34 of the Shepherdville Rams. And we have a timeout called by the UNC Greyhounds. 3 minutes and 38 seconds left sa ating third quarter. 38-65. Magbabalik po kami.
Short stopper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. Short stopper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
And we are back here live at the ADNU University Gymnasium para sa second game ng ating semifinals match-up. We only have 3 minutes and 38 seconds remaining time sa third period. In the first bucket sa free throw area is off by Lopez of the Greyhounds. Second shot is good. Nakabalik na sa hardcourt si Posada. Nice assist here. Beautiful feed at the inside. Guadalupe now. To Benisilio. Passes to Almario. Almario. Valera, long three-pointer. Chares off. Posada, 1-on-1. At tatawagan ng foul doon Si number 88, the shooting foul here. That's the second foul ni number 88 Valera ng Greyhounds. First shot is good. And making their lead to 30-point lead. Mga kaibigan, 30-point lead ang hawak. Alamangan ng Shepherdville Rams. Almario Bachancela, pass to the inside, pero doon si Lopez for a corner perimeter shot. Bunicilio rather. Posada crosses over with a putback, no good. Almario gets that rebound at tatawagan ng foul doon si number 25. That's Pareja. Bachancela fires for 3 and that's good. We have a turnover here and napatawag ng timeout ang ating Shepherdville Rams with 1 minute and 56 remaining time. Don't go anywhere, magbabalik po kami.
Fast break layup. It's good. Shortstopper using the back. All the way. Look for 2 minutes and a foul.
Here we are back here live at the ADNU Gymnasium. 1 minute and 56 remaining time sa ating third quarter. Double digit pa rin ang hawak ng kalamangan ng ating Shepherdville Rams. At parehas lang nasa penalty situation ng dalawang kupunan. 14 seconds to shoot. Bachancela again for 3! Soriao. Beautiful crossover. Nice feed to Posada. 3 points is off. Agawa ng bola. Bachancela. A beautiful assist to Bunicilio. Greyhounds now is making a run here. Cutting the lead to 20 points. Tatawagan na ng foul si Lopez. At nasa penalty situation na ang ating Shepherdville Rams dito. One minute and 6 seconds remaining time. First shot is good. And sa ating live audience, don't forget to share and like our Facebook pages. One minute and 6 seconds remaining time sa ating third period, 49-71. And Guadalupe now approaching the front court. Guadalupe passes Almario. Almario fires for 3. Oh, pero doon si Guadalupe at makakakuha ng foul. Under a minute to play. Guadalupe is on the line, making his bonus shots. First shot is good. And pasalamatan ko at this moment ang ating sponsors. Nag-College Foundation, Tres de Calibre Security Agency, Converge ICT Solution, Marinas Polytechnic College, and the provincial government of Albay. Mamaya, babasahin ko ang ating second set ng ating sponsors. Beautiful putback here by number 34 of the Shepherdville Rams. Chancela subs, passes to Lopez for 3 and it's good! Bursi now attacks the basket. Makakakuha ng foul and that's from number 5, Chancela. That's the third personal foul. Di Chancela. Under 17 seconds remaining time. 20-point lead, extending it to 21. Seconds remaining time. Beautiful steal the air. Kuha pa ng puntos under seconds to play and that's gonna be the end of our third quarter, 53-77. Don't go anywhere. At ito na, papasok na tayo sa fourth and final quarter. Magbabalik po kami.
After using the clock, all the way, number 2 makes a foul. After using the clock, after
And we are back here live at the ADNU-Naga University Gymnasium. And we welcome you to the fourth and final quarter. At malalaman na natin kung sino ba ang makakaharap ng NCF Cubs sa finals. UNC ba o Shepherdville Rams? Possession ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Number 24. Finding the free man. Passes to Drew. Drew inside the point. Caceres off. Kapigan ng bola. Bola ng UNC Greyhounds. Alamin natin ang update kung ano ba magiging game plan at strategy ng Shepherdville Rams sa fourth and final quarter. Let's call in our courtside reporter. Hi Cass, kamusta? Anong update dyan?
Russell, I can feel the intense effort and perseverance of the Rams. It is evident that they are truly playing hard to advance to the finals as they are carefully listening to what their coaches are ordering them to do on the hard court. They are encouraged to avoid panicking and just focus on the game. It's already the last and final quarter and the Rams is still leading the game. That's the latest update from the courtside. Back to you, Russell.
Thank you very much, Cass. Napakagandang mindset. Sinabi ng in advance, sinabi ng head coach ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Focus pa rin sa game. Kahit lamang sila, hindi pa tapos ang laban na ito. At alamin din natin ang update sa side ng UNC Greyhounds. Let's call in our courtside reporter. Hi, Irish. Kamusta? Anong update sa side ng ating UNC Greyhounds?
Yes, Russell, for UNC Greyhounds timeout, they will going to have now the full court man-to-man and no offense. Kung anong itinapon ng kabila, they will just do it back. Coach told them to reset again from 0-0. Don't look at the scoreboard to avoid frustration. Keep on attacking and don't hesitate. Habol lang ng habol. Pahirapan ng kalaban sa pag-dribble and receive. Whatever the result of the game, as long as pinapakita na lumalaban sila, it will be good for coach. That's all for now. Back to you, Russell.
Thank you very much, Iris. At yun nga, narinig natin, kailangan pa mag-double time ng ating UNC Greyhounds para mahabol ang kalamangan ng Shepherdville Rams. And Caceres off. At tatawagan din ng foul si number 34, Drew. Shepherdville Rams. That's his fourth. At papasok si Soriao. Almario. Passes to Valera. Valera. Lefty layup is good. And a full court man-to-man defense. Foul call to Almario. We have substitution here. Bonisilio. Posada. Posada, attack sa basket. Napaka-efficient ni Posada. Bachancela with the ball. Inside pass to Bonisilio. Pinabitawan ang bola. Pwede yun. Man down para sa side ng Shepherdville Rams. I think Posada is having a cramp here. Kailangan niya munang ipagpahinga ang kanyang paa. Turnover. Bola ng UNC Greyhounds. Bunicilio inbounding the ball. Chancela. Valera fires for long 3. Shot is off. Beautiful steal by Valera here. In and out, pero nakuha pa rin ang rebound. Another one. Pero wala pa rin. Burse. Nice block here. Agawan ng bola at tatawagan ng foul doon. Who's foul? That's number 25. Pareha. Valera. Cross court pass to his brother. Balik sa kanyang kapatid, Valera. Chancela. Valera fires for 3. Shot is short. At tatawagin ng foul si number 88. Pushing foul with 7 minutes and 28 seconds remaining time. 59-82. From Irene Grau, go Shepherd. And kay Gian Maxine Asay, go UNC. Shoutout po and happy viewing sa inyo mga kaibigan. 59-84. Chancela fires for 3. Again! Chancela. Burse. No good. Pero andun si number 4 for that second chance opportunity. Another one for Graho. Another 3. Diva Chancela. This time, shot is off. Burse from the elbow. No good. At tatawagan ng foul doon. That's gonna be a loose ball foul from Clidoro. Valera. Another foul here from number 1. That's his second. At babalik na po sa ating court. Si Posada, I think, okay na ang kanyang paa. First shot is good from Valera. Second shot is off and beautiful putback by Sakido. Soriao finding the point guard, Posada. Open floater shot, uses the glass. That's good. Posada being efficient from first quarter until the end. 3-pointer. Glidoro. That pass is too strong. And we have a timeout called by the UNC Greyhounds. 5 minutes and 51 seconds left sa ating fourth and final quarter. 65-88. Magbabalik po kami.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way, good for 2 points and a foul. Shortstopper using the bat. All the way, good for 2 points and a foul.
And we are back here live at the Ateneo Gymnasium para sa second game ng ating semifinals match-up, Rams versus Greyhounds. Ball possession yon ng ating Greyhounds. Chancela fires for 3 again. Favorite spot doon ni Chancela. At nakakuha pa ng steal. Valera. Beautiful steal there. Pero bola pa rin ng ating Greyhounds. 20-point lead. Beautiful block there by number 25. Bola ngayon ng Greyhounds. High steal by Valera. Alley-oop. Pass. Akido. At makakakuha ng foul doon. Is Akido. He will step on the line making his bonus shots. And he is out of the game. Number 34. 5 fouls na doon si Drew. Sakido is on the line. Kailangan nito ipasok and first shot is good. From 30-point lead to 19-point lead. 5 minutes and 22 seconds remaining. Bursa is back. Beautiful hustle there by Sakido. Posada versus Valera. Nice fakes there. At tatawagin ng traveling violation. Si number 24. $18-point lead. Passes to Sakido. Sakido fires for 3. Shot is off. Down to the last 5 minutes ng ating game time. Nice still there by Sakido. Sakido now attacks the basket. The shot is off. Libreng-libre doon si Tuwason. Easy 2 points by the Rams. Bunisilio. Burse now. At tatawagan na ng foul doon si Bachancela. And he is also out of the game. Having 5 personal fouls. Papalitan siya ni Almario. Posada. Beautiful steal there by Almario. Almario. Nice feed to Lopez. A chance for a 3-point play. Kailangan nila to. 72-90 at nasa penalty situation na ang Greyhounds under 4 minutes and 9 seconds sa ating fourth and final quarter. Bonus shot is off. Rebounded by Burse. Tuwason, abitawan yung bola. Still by Almario. Beautiful behind the back. Almario! Shot is off. The 13 seconds to shoot para sa ating Shepherdville Rams. And the Shepherdville Rams called the timeout. 72-98. 18-point lead ang hawak na kalamangan ng ating Rams. Magbabalik po kami.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. They're using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Yan, we are back here live at the ADNU-Naga University Gymnasium. Under 3 minutes and 39 seconds left sa ating 14th final quarter. Nasa penalty situation ang ating Greyhounds. 72-90. Bola ngayon ng ating Rams. Pases to Graho. Beautiful steal there by Sakido. Lopez now has the ball. Sakido. Almario. Beautiful footwork here. Shot is off. Pero nakuha niya pa rin ang bola. Pero nandun na sa ating Shepherdville Rams. That's an easy 2 points. Steal by Pareja. At makakakuha pa ng foul. That's from Almario. Grau is on the line. Parejas, rather, making his bonus shots. Can to give us an update coming from the timeout. Ano kaya maging adjustment ng ating UNC Greyhounds? Let's call in our courtside reporter. Hi Irish, kamusta? Anong update?
Yes, Russell, coach challenged the UNC Greyhounds to down to 10 the score in just 2 minutes by just keep on defense and don't be frustrated. That's all for now. Back to you, Russell.
Thank you very much, Iris. Update sa side ng ating Greyhounds. And Sakido's on the line, making his bonus shots. First shot is good. Second shot is good by Sakido. Ay, still there by Sakido. Another 2 points at makakakuha pa ng foul. Both teams are in the penalty situation. Two minutes and 53 seconds. Humahabol ang UNC Greyhounds dito. Chares off. Gawa ng bola. Nakuha yun ni Lopez for the fadeaway shot. Is good. Posada. Passes to Burse. At tatawagin na ng foul sa number 77. That's his second team foul. Burse is on the line, making his bonus shots. First shot is good. Second shot is good. Perfect on the line. Si Burse. Valera fires for 3. Shot is short. Burse. Inside the paint. Passes to Sakido. Sakido now. Attacks the basket. Nabitawan yung bola. Gawa ng bola. Nakuha ni Clidoro. Lidoro, floater. Assist pala yun para kay Burse. Last 2 minutes ng ating fourth quarter. And timeout called by the UNC Greyhound. 78-98. Balik sa 20-point lead ang ating Shepherdville Rams. Don't go anywhere. Magbabalik po kami.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Number 2 makes in a foul. Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Number 2 makes in a foul.
And we are back here live at the ADNU Gymnasium. Down to the last 2 minutes. 20-point lead ang kalamangan ng Shepherdville Rams. Bola ng Shepherdville Rams. With 14 seconds to shoot para sa ating Shepherdville Rams. Beautiful steal there by Almario. Passes to Benisilio. Benisilio, spin move. Rebounded by Grau. 2 against 1. 2 points by Soriao. Crossover move. The shot is short. Soriao against Bare. Posada once again escaping from the defense of the Greyhounds. He has been doing it from the very start. 3 points is off. And for the second time around, Posada is having a cramps here. Down to the last 1 minute and 1 second. Seconds to play, mga kaibigan. And I think alam na natin kung sino ang makakaharap ng NCF Cubs. Guadalupe. Passes to Soriao. And he'll just kill the time here. Soriao. Beautiful steal by Bare. Bunicilio. Easy 2 points here. Down to the last 18 seconds to shoot. At ibibigay na to ng ating Greyhounds. And that's gonna be the end of our fourth quarter. At ang nanalo, Shepherdville Rams. Congratulations to our Shepherdville Rams. And congrats pa rin sa ating UNC Greyhounds sa napakagandang laro na binigay sa atin. At naghihintay at alam na ngayon ng ating NCF Cubs kung sino ang makakaharap nila sa finals. Don't go anywhere. Magbabalik po kami para makilala natin ang ating best player of the game.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Look for 2 points and a foul. Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Look for 2 points and a foul.
Points, 3 rebound, 5 assists, and 5 steals. Carl, congratulations for being the best player of the game. How does it feel to hit upon consecutive wins as well as be the best player of the game?
Masaya po kasi talagang pinaghandaan din namin to po. Yun lang po.
Yan, now that you are qualified to play in the finals, ano nga ba ang aabangan namin sa inyong team?
Mas matindi pa po ang papakita namin para mag-champion po. Yun lang po.
Ayan, they're aiming to win the championship round. We are currently live. May gusto ka bang batian o pasalamatan? This is your chance.
Binabati ko pa pala ang mga pamilya ko sa sa Catanduanes at Tiboy Dayo sa Isla. Yun lang po.
Ayan, thank you very much and congratulations. That's the end of the last game. UNC Greyhounds versus SVC Junior Rams. Congratulations to Junior Rams for winning the match and for advancing to the finals. Once again, this is Cassandra Saton, your courtside reporter. This Bucal Season 4 Juniors Basketball Division.
And once again, congratulations sa ating Shepherdville Rams, and they will be advancing to the finals at naghihintay na sa kanila ang NCF Cubs. And once again, congratulations kay Carl Posada with 34 big points. Napalaki at napaka-efficient. Nakita naman natin yung laro, destroying the defense, escaping from the defense ng Greyhounds nitong point guard ng ating Shepherdville Rams. 34 points, 3 rebounds, 5 assists, and 5 steals. Congratulations sa ating Shepherdville Rams para sa hapon na ito. And congratulations rin sa ating UNC Greyhounds for giving us a wonderful at napakagandang laro ngayong hapon na ito. At mga kaibigan, abangan natin ang kapanabik-nabik na tapatan ng NCF Cubs versus the Shepherdville Rams. Once again, my name is John Russell A. Senora at ako po ang nakasama nyo sa laban na ito.
Shortstopper using the bat.